Hello guys, let's have a quick technical analysis on Dollar General Corporation. In pre-market, Dollar General published a profit warning and their stock price went down something like 16% already in pre-market. So how do you trade it in intraday for this stock? Let me show you my technical analysis. First, if you use average lines, this is the 100 average line in monthly chart, and the price around 120 average line is around 127. So this is the line dividing long and short. So if the price above this 120, do not short it. Below 120 average line, you can short it. You could short it. So this line is the dividing line for long and short. And by just looking at monthly chart, you don't really see how trend is this downtrend. Let's zoom in to weekly chart. It's easily we can analyze it by Elliott wave theory. As you can see here, this is the first wave, second, third, fourth, fifth. So it's very good 5 waves in a downtrend. But currently it's the 5th wave. So the price is right now is around 130. So the strategy intraday is do not do anything until it touches around 127. When it touches 127, you could try to use small position first, try to long it. Then it will have a rebound. I don't know how much rebound it will have, but you could use Fibonacci to measure it. Something from 120. Yeah. So the first resistance is around 144. But intraday, it could not rebound that much. But this is for the like a medium term. But so for intraday, 127 around 127 is the key point to watch. Above or below, then you know the strategy to do that. All right, that's the simple technical analysis for it.